Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, auto-dimming mirrors, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com adds the 2016 XTS's real leg up on the competition is its spacious interior, particularly in the back seat, as well as its cavernous trunk. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.